Hello there! Did you know that you can also create Christmas-themed rewards campaigns? In this video, we'll show you how. Previously, we touched on how you can target the right type of customers. Using Target segment under Customers, you can target your audience based on gender, age, birth month, top customers, and customer transactions. Now, to set up your rewards program, click the New Rewards button. After that, just type your product name, upload an image, enter the price of the reward and the number of points that your customers need to earn before they can redeem the reward. Then, provide a description and specify the participating branches and promo period. You can also put a cap on how many rewards you want to offer in the inventory. Don't forget to toggle on visibility, then click Save. To engage with your customers, just click the Send Broadcast button. Then, you can start blasting messages through SMS, push notifications, or email. When you're done, select your preferred schedule, then turn on visibility. That's it! Now you can start with your holiday campaigns. Get powered by RUSH. Loyalty made easy.